Hello, a warm welcome from SGT University. I am Dr. Ashok Yadav, Faculty of Agricultural Sciences. Today we are learning about the breeding of banana. Banana Musa species is the second most important food crops in India next to mango. Its year-round availability, affordability, varietal range, taste, nutritive and medicinal value makes it is the favorite fruit among all the classes of the people. It has also good export potential. Globally, India ranks first in banana production by the producing about 14 million metric tons annually. Banana evolved in humid tropical region of Southeast Asia, with India as one of its center of origin. Modern edible varieties have evolved from the two species Musa acuminata and Musa balbisiana and their natural hybrids, originally found in the rainforest of the Southeast Asia. During the 7th century AD, its cultivation spread to Egypt and Africa. At present, banana is being cultivated throughout the warm tropical region of the world between 300 north and 300 south of the equator. Techniques of the hybridization in banana is different from the other crops. Pollination is the best carried out in the morning. The bunches of the female parents are baked at the shooting at each successive hand is pollinated at its exposed. At maturity and ripening, the bunch is cut and seeds are extracted. Banana breeding was started in Trinidad, West Indies in 1922 and Jamaica in 1924. The driving force for the breeding program was to develop improved fusarium built Fusarium oxysporium resistant banana for export trade. In 1960, both of the programs were combined under the Jamaica Banana Board. United Fruits Company also started as a small breeding program in Panama in 1920. In India, hybridization work was started at the Central Banana Research Station, Aduthurai, Tamil Nadu in 1949. Important banana growing states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. And recent day in the some district of the Uttar Pradesh, in the Harishal banana is cultivated on the commercial scale. In South India, other than its edible use, banana is extensively used in all auspicious occasions such as wedding, festival and worshipping God. Banana is a good table fruit. Beside the cultivars, nandrain is used for cooking. It is also used for preparation of the chips. Edible banana is native to old world, especially Southeast Asia. Malayan area seems to be the primary center for origin of cultivated banana, Musa acuminata, and Musa acuminata was probably introduced into the India and Burma, where Musa balbisiana is native species. Natural hybridization between these two species might have resulted in many hybrid progenies, AAV and ABV. The genetic resources of Musa has about 50 species, and this genus is divided into the 5 sections. Number 1 is the EU Musa, including about 13 to 15 species of edible and wild banana. The chromosome number is 2n/22 in wild species, and most of the cultivated varieties are having 2n/33 or rarely 2n/44. For example, Musa acuminata. The genetic resources of the Musa has about 15 species, and this genus is deployed into the 5 sections. Number 1 is the EU Musa, including about 13 to 15 species of edible and wild banana. The chromosome number is 2n/22 in wild species, and most of the cultivated varieties are having 2n/33 or rarely 2n/44. For example, Musa acuminata, Musa balbisiana, Musa basioux. Second is the Rhodoclimus, mostly deployed in nature, spreading from the India to Indonesia. 5 to 7 species are kept in this group. Parthenocarpically is absent in this group. For example, Musa ornata, Musa velutina. Third is the Cali Musa. This is of the ornamental value and ornamental type of this group, Cali Musa, X/10, 2n/22. It is found in Indochina, Malaya and Vernoi. Parthenocarpy, it is absent in this type. It's including about 5 to 6 species, for example, Musa coccinea. Insecticide, it including Musa ingenis X/7 to N/42 of New Guinea, which grows to a height of over 10 meter. This is the largest non-house. Another species in this group is Musa baekeri X/N to N/18 from the North Borneo. Insecti is another genera of this family, probably originated in Asia. Genus Insecti has 6 to 7 species, of which Insecti ventricosa is reported to be grown in Ethiopia as a food crop. The most important Musa cultivars are almost sterile triploid 2N/3X/33 and also tetraploid and diploid banana cultivars have also local importance in Asia. All banana and plantain land races are formal selection from the intra and inter-specific hybridization of the two different species, Musa acuminata, donor of the A genome, and Musa balbiciana, donor of the B genome. Simon and Shepherd reported a scoring technique to indicate the relative contribution of the two wild species from the constitution of a given cultivar. Methods of breeding. Introduction. Introduction of some cultivars of banana was made with resistant to the biotic stress. For example, ladyfinger, the strain number EC160160, resistant to the bunchy top virus, introduced from the Australia and being evaluated at IIHR, Bangalore and Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. Further cultivars, Nene MS, the strain number is EC27237 from the France and Valerie from the West Indies were introduced from the utilization in the improvement program. Hybridization in India. Breeding work was started at Central Banana Research Station, Aduthurai, Tamil Nadu in 1949. Afterward, breeding program was also initiated at Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore and Kerala Agriculture University, Thrissur. Techniques of hybridization in banana is different from the other crops. Pollination is the best carried out in the morning. The bunches of the female parents are backed at shooting and each successive hand is pollinated as it is exposed. At maturity and ripening, the bunch is cut and seeds are extracted. Seeds are sown at the ones in the greenhouses. Evaluation of the hybrid progenies from seedling to harvest may not be the correct phases. Instead, evaluation of the same under next vegetative phase. For example, the sucker to harvest stage will be ideal as the full expression of the yield potential could be observed only in the second crop of the F1 progeny. The first crop seedlings to the harvest take from more than 15 to 19 months, where most of the energy of the plants is needed for the corm formation. Development of new diploid male parents. In many banana growing countries, initially wild diploid banana AA are utilized as male parent, and as a result, the resultant tetraploid had inherited many undesirable traits. Hence, it has been felt by banana breeding that the primary objective is to synthesize a good male parent. An ideal male parent must be highly resistant to the Panama and Sigatoka disease, must have vertical and compact bunch, and fruits are large as the diploid can allow, and must be parthenocarpic, having sufficient pollen to permit its uses as a male parents. Musa acuminata subspecies Burmanica and its hybrid offer a good sources of resistance to the black Sigatoka. One such diploid developed in Honduras is SH2989. Other male diploid worthy to be mentioned are SH3142 for nematode resistant and SH3176 evolved through the multiple crosses for resistant to the black Sigatoka with desirable horticultural traits. The introduced diploid are Pisang Lilan, AA type of genome, and Tongat is the A type of genome, known for their resistance to the Panama disease and nematodes. Many synthetic hybrids of the diploid have been developed which have good horticultural characters, including resistance to the Sigatoka disease, Panama belt, and or burrowing nematodes. These hybrids are now used as the male parents to cross with the local diploid varieties or intercrossed synthesis new diploid hybrids. Mutation breeding. Bud mutation in Indian banana is very common, perhaps due to the spontaneous arrangement of the chromosome in the somatic meristem and structural reassortment. A great majority of edible banana are triploid, a condition that interferes with the normal equilibrium of plants and may provide the requisite stimulus to the structural rearrangement of the chromosomes, leading ultimately to the evaluation of the new genes complexes. Several natural spots of well-established commercial clones have been recognized. A Highgate AAA genome is a semi-dwarf mutant of the Gross-Michael AAA genome. Mota-Puban AAB type genome is a sport of the Puban AAB type of genome. Iranka rastali is a sport of rastali or silk. Barhare Malbhog, a sport of the Malbhog. Krishna Bajahi is the natural mutant of the Barapakachi of Pom, and Sambrani Monthan ABB type, a mutant of Monthan ABB. And Nandren, more than 6 mutants have been recognized. One of these, Mongole, has undergone such a radical change that there is no male face and one has only 1 or 2 hands with biggest size fruits. Atu Nandren, Nana Nandren, Mayondoli, and Belathan and Nanu Nandren are a few mutants which has been selected for one or the other desirable characters. Biotechnology in banana. Plant tissue culture and molecular biology techniques are applied to enhance the handling and improvement of banana. Important applications of a cell biology are micropropagation for rapid multiplication and germplasm exchange, embryo culture rescue for in vitro seed germination, cryopreservation of germplasm, and genome manipulation through genetic engineering using cell suspension or protoplast culture. Although somaclonal variation through micropropagation is of limited use in plantain breeding, it has been successfully applied in Taiwan for the development of improved Cavendish banana cultivar with resistant to the fusarium wilt and acceptable fruit quality. And gene transfer method from the Catholic University Leuven, Belgium reported that the transgenic triploid cooking banana showing transient expression of the GUS marker gene in pot growing in the greenhouse from the DNA particle bombardment on the ABB cooking banana. The molecular markers are providing tools for the polygenetic investigation and cultivar identification, basic genetic research, marker assistant selection, and diagnostic in the pathogenic identification. So today we covered the breeding of banana. Next time we meet you, we will be exploring about the breeding of pineapple. Keep learning, keep growing. See you next time.